I'm in. Yep, I'm for sure in. Whatever you need, I'm into it. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you. It is day 5 of August 2019 Box Week. I can do this. Like, I got this. Like, I don't know. I feel really confident this week just about like these intros and like I just got it. Like, when it comes to like knowing the month, the year, all that stuff, I just feel like I got it in control. So yesterday I showed you guys a new to my YouTube channel box, and today I have another new to my channel box. Now this isn't like an actual subscription, but this is something I'm really excited about. Like, I won't even lie, I'm pumped about today's video. So today I'm telling you about a company called Winc. If you haven't heard of Winc, I'm about to tell you about it. So Winc is actually a wine company that you can go on their website and you can get really amazing wines at phenomenal prices. So first of all, today I am going to tell you, this is my very first experience with Winc. They partnered with me. They asked me to try them out. So they sent me these wines complimentary to share about them with you guys. And I'm like, okay, yeah. I was like, wine? I'm in. Yep, I'm for sure in. Whatever you need, I'm into it. Yep, I'm here. So if you are watching this video and you're like, I want to try out Winc for myself, I have a link down below this video. Click on it and you will actually save $22 on your first box of wine. You'll get 4 bottles of wine for less than $40 and you'll get complimentary shipping. I feel like that's phenomenal. And they're like, nice wine. Like, it's not like it's like, okay, I'm going to get like a cheap bottle of wine because I'm going through something and I need wine. No, this is like nice wine. You're gonna get nice wine for less than $40, 4 bottles, and you're getting the shipping for free. So the link is down below in the description box. Click it, get your wine, get your life. Also come back and tell me how you like it after you try it. When I actually put in my order, so like they actually have you go through an entire like flavor profile. It's really cool. Like you get to like, you answer like 6 different questions and then they're like, these are wines we picked for you, but you can actually go through and be like, you know, I don't know if this one fits me or this one fits me, and you can like kind of customize your box. That was like the really cool part. So basically I went through the profile. They helped me like pick out wines that they feel like would work towards me and like my super like dramatic palate, where I was like, well, I like this, but I don't like this. And then they'll be like, okay, great, these are your wines. And I was like, okay, so I think I picked like a couple of the ones they said. I picked a couple for myself, and I will tell you, like, turnaround shipping, I got it like within a few days. Like, it was crazy. Like, they don't play around. Like, they get you your wine real quick. So I'm gonna get into it. This is the box they send. So first of all, this is the box. I can't even like pick it up. It's so heavy. So this is the box of wines. It's very, very sturdy and phenomenal. Also comes with a little handle. You do have to have somebody who's 21 or older to sign for it because it is alcohol, so they won't just like leave it at the house if like somebody's not there. So that's the only thing, I guess, if you were like whatever. But I don't even think that's like a bad thing. I think that's awesome that they're like being responsible like that. So let's get into it. I got Mr. John Wayne here. I'm going to cut into the box. I'm keeping it on the floor because it's so heavy. I feel like, knowing me, I'd have some sort of like little bit of an issue, a malfunction of some sort. And I'm not trying, oh, I don't even need Mr. Wayne. Wow, the tape just ripped right off. That's great. All right, so I'm gonna open it up, trying to get in there. Woo! I'm excited, guys. Like, I won't even lie. Like, I'm excited about some wine. Like, you don't even know. So, all right. So the hashtag is keep it chill, which I think is great. So on the very top, they have this here that tells you about like this wine, this brand new one that's called Keep It Chill. They also have this booklet about Winc, and it tells you all about like different wines, and I think it's really cool. So the other thing is, like, they start sending me emails. They're like, okay, if you like this type of wine, this is what you should eat with it. And I was like, thank you. I needed to know that. Also, this tells you like about different like types of wine, light reds, dries. This is cool because, like, honestly, like, I know I like wine, but I don't like know about it like I feel like I could know about it, and this is gonna help me with that. All right, so inside here, whoo, these look so good. I wish I could like hold it up, but again, like, it's really heavy. So the first bottle that we have here is Pinot Grigio. It says Puigjois, I can't even say it. Puigjois, I don't know. So this is a product of Italy. This is 2018 Del Venezia. This is a Pinot Grigio, Italian for more joy. Delivers crisp Pinot Grigio delight with every drop. Aromas of white peach and candied lemon combined with flavors of stone fruit and refreshing mineral finish for a wine even the PG skeptics will enjoy. Oh my gosh. Okay. The next one that we have is Restless Earth. This is one of the ones I'm pretty sure they told me like I should try. Restless Earth Grenache, 2018 Santa Barbara Highlands Vineyard. This is what it looks like. The Santa Barbara Highlands Vineyard lies on restless land where the shadowy peaks of the Sierra Madre Mountains bathe the grapes in light and dark as the temperature swings madly from dawn to dusk. It's here that the grapes for our 2018 Grenache were picked in the chill of the night before being hand-sorted, destemmed, and fermented. That just sounded amazing. I don't know. I'm like, just kind of want to get into this right now. But I'm filming a video and I'm a lightweight, so I'm not going to do it. But next we have Matchlock Cabernet Sauvignon. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Look at how sexy this bottle of wine is. Two winemakers, 2 vineyards, neutral oak, French oak, full body, black cherry, and spice. Look, and so the thing I love though is like the variety. Like I think it's awesome that you're getting to try all these different wines and there's like a variety here. And then finally we have Summer Water, 2018 Rosé, Central Coast. This is one of the keep it chill. So summer is a state of mind, 85% Grenache and 15% Syrah. So they had this big thing about how like certain wines are supposed to like keep them chilled now because it's like the new popular trend. I mean, honestly, I drink my wine cold anyway. I can't function. So anyways, if you like wine, like I like wine, and you got excited about this situation in here, again, link down below in the description box saves you $22 on your first box, which makes 4 bottles of wine under $40 and you get free shipping. That's all. I don't know. I was really excited. I feel like the Just Like Drew crew, I was like, they're going to be about this. I'm like, I don't even, like, they want wine, so I don't, yep, I can't even talk because I just knew. Like, I just knew. Okay, so, I'm really excited. I hope you guys like this. Like I said, I've been having a little bit different videos this week. I hope you like stuff like this. I was so excited when Winc asked me, to try them out. I was like, yeah, like, I feel like you're doing me, like, I just, wow. So again, if you want to check it out for yourself, I have a link down below. I think this is a great, I feel like though, honestly, I think this is such a phenomenal investment. I feel like, especially for me, the reason I like it is because I've really been trying to increase like my wine knowledge, and I feel like there's actually an easy way for me to do that. Like, it's hard for me, like when I'm in a store, like that's the hardest thing. Whenever I'm in a store trying to buy wine, I'm like, I don't really know. But like going on a website and being able to fill out a profile and then recommending options for me based off of things that I said makes it a lot easier. I don't know about you. So for me, that's where I'm at with it. Alright, so that's what I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to part the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Box, and I'm super excited. So also that leads me to say, if you want to try out this box after watching this video, code to use is RAD, R-A-D, and you will save $10 off your first box of FabFitFun.